Yeah. So first things first, I want to thank everybody for the positive energy that I received in the previous video. As you guys can see, I deal with cystic acne, been dealing with it for about 2 years. I've tried a number of things, medicines, cleansers, antibiotics, vitamins, doctors, dermatologists, and diets, and nothing seems to work. But I've been learning to embrace it, and you guys have really helped me with that. But ways that I do cope with it is makeup and just dressing up and making myself feel pretty, honestly. Dealing with this has caused me to be in hella pain and to be depressed as the fuck. But for anybody that's really watching and listening to this, just learn to love your flaws because nobody is perfect. No one. And you have to love yourself because if you don't love yourself, nobody will love you. But this is my story, my testimony to you guys that I'm being vulnerable with because honestly, I did not think I was going to post that shit. I'm going to be real. But here I am and you guys have really gave me good feedback. So thank you guys. And if you want, I'll post pimple popping videos.